Hello everyone, this is Dr. Dhwani Jain. I'm a practicing physiotherapist from Mumbai. Today I have come up with this video about upper body stretching and what exactly is stretching, why it should be done, and few very simple and effective quick stretches to do at home for your upper body which we usually neglect. So let's begin. Now, what is stretching exactly? Stretching is nothing but an external stretch force applied to any muscle at a particular joint to basically lengthen it. Okay? Now, stretching can be first used during a therapy wherein there is a muscle which is shortened and because of which the range of a particular joint is limited. So, an external force, that is stretching, can be done to elongate that muscle basically. Secondly, it is a part of a sports training program so that any musculoskeletal injuries can be avoided. Okay. Lastly, it can be done before or after any workout sessions to prevent muscle soreness. Now, let's begin with some demonstration of exercises, that is stretches for the upper body. I'll be telling you all the benefits one by one after I finish the stretch. So, let's begin. Firstly, let's go to the neck. So I have two stretches for the neck. Both are really feel-good stretches and they can be done to increase the range of motion of the neck. And secondly, very useful stretches to relieve tension headaches. So very first stretch is a trapezius stretch. Trapezius is a muscle, so which is at the side of the neck. So this area, this is the trapezius. So it's basically covers a huge area, but some part is over here, which is the upper trapezius. So if I want to stretch my right side, my right hand will be on the shoulder, my left hand will be just at the side of the head, that's above the ear. Okay, you can sit in a comfortable position, straight. Now, what I have to do is, I have to pull these both apart, means I have to push my shoulder down and push my head to the opposite side, that's the left side. So if I'm stretching the right side, I'll be bending on the left side. Now once I bend and I get a good stretch on this area, I'll stop there and hold. Hold for 15 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that way 15 counts, and do it 3 times, or hold for 30 counts and do it 2 times. Once I finish counting, I'll slowly come back to the normal position and I'll repeat the stretch. Coming to the next stretch, which is a levator scapulae muscle stretch. Don't worry, you don't have to remember the muscles, you just have to know the technique. So this muscle is at behind of the neck, somewhere here, okay, going to the top of the shoulder blade. So let's stretch that. So for that, you have to look, so I am stretching the right side, so I will be looking 45 degrees to the left side. My left hand will be at the back of the head. My right hand can hang down or it can again be on my shoulder. So I will be again pulling these apart. So push my head down and push my shoulder down. Once I feel a good stretch at the back of the neck, I'll be holding this again as said for 15 counts, for 3 times, or 30 counts for 2 times. Let's move on to the next stretch, which is a pectoral muscle stretch. Pectorals are muscles over here, that's front of the shoulder, which usually are tight in most of the people because most of them have dropped shoulders, dropped forwards because of say working on the laptop or housewives doing a lot of chapatis. So yeah, it's basically due to incorrect posture. So let's stretch that. I will show you 2 ways. One is in sitting, which I am showing right now. So entangle your fingers and keep it behind the neck. Elbows straight facing forward. And now slowly take them outwards till you feel a very good stretch on the front of the shoulder. Okay, once you feel that stretch, hold it for 15 counts or 30 counts as suitable and slowly come back to the original position. Okay, the next way to do it is in standing position. Let's do that. So for the second method of stretching the pectoral muscles, you need to find a corner wall in the house, something like this. Okay. So what we do is keep your hands on either side of the corner. So one on the left side, one on the right side. See to it that your arms are at 90 degrees. That means you are parallel to the ground. One leg forward. Any one leg is okay. Okay. So this is the starting position. What you have to do is now try to go forwards from your upper body. Okay. So just see, I'm going forward. Okay. Now when I go forward, my legs are there only. I'm just going forward from my upper body. I feel a very good stretch on the front of the shoulder, this area, which I need to stretch. So I'll hold that position for 30 counts 2 times or 15 counts 3 times as said. Okay. And actually speaking, this is a better stretch. You get a perfect stretch over here and it's wonderful. Third stretch is a triceps muscle stretch. Triceps is a muscle at the back of the arm. So to stretch that, you have to first bend your elbow and take your arm up. With the other hand at the elbow, just push your arm behind. So basically this way. Once you take it completely behind and you feel a good stretch over here at the triceps muscle area, you hold this position for 30 counts or 15 counts as suitable, and then relax and go to the other side. Lastly, we move on to a forearm stretch. So we'll divide it into 2 parts. One is front of the forearm and second is back of the forearm. So to stretch the muscles on front of the forearm, we will keep our palm facing towards the ceiling and elbow straight. Okay, so this way. With the other hand, half on the palm and half on the fingers. So this way. This is the area where I'll be keeping my other palm, and I'll be pushing my hand towards me. Now once I do this, I feel a very good stretch on the front of the forearm over here. Again holding 15 counts 3 times or 30 counts for 2 times. Similarly do it on the other side. To stretch the back of the forearm, our palms will be facing downwards. Again with the left hand in the center, that's half on the back of the palm and half on the fingers, and pull it towards you. Wow, amazing. I'm feeling a very good stretch on the back of my forearm. So these were quick stretches for your upper body which we usually neglect, and I hope this video was useful and these stretches were effective. Do try them and let me know in the comment section. Also you can comment if you want specific videos on any specific topics related to physiotherapy. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Next I'll be coming with videos on stretches of the lower body, specific muscle stretches, and next on stretches of the trunk. So stay tuned, keep moving and stay safe.